Hello children, I welcome you all for the video class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 Greenland, the land of snow. Children, we have learned how the earth has different types of climate in different climatic zones. Children, do you remember? What are the three different climatic zones of the earth? Yes, the three different climatic zones of the earth are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. The climate of torrid zone or tropical zone is hot, wet and humid climate. The climate of the temperate zone is moderate climate. The climate of the frigid zone is very cold. Children, the hot deserts located close to the equator in the torrid zone are the hottest regions in the world. Similarly, frigid zones which are located close to the poles form the coldest regions on earth. These frigid zones are also known as the polar regions. Children, there are two frigid zones which include the areas surrounding the North Pole and the South Pole of the Earth. They are usually covered with ice and snow throughout the year. Children, frigid zone covered with ice and snow throughout the year. The image here shows the location of the frigid zone on a map. Children, do you remember frigid zone? Yes, the frigid zones are covered with snow and ice almost throughout the year. Children, they are the coldest places on the earth. The area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere is called the frigid zone. Children, the sun's rays are slanting and are very weak. This area is very cold because it is very far away from the equator. Children, frigid zones are the coldest places on the earth. Children, what is called frigid zone? Yes, the frigid zones are the coldest regions of earth and are generally covered in ice and snow. Children, there are territories of 8 countries in the North Frigid Zone or Arctic Circle. Children, what are the 8 countries in the North Frigid Zone? Children, 8 countries in the North Frigid Zones are Canada, Greenland, Russia, United States, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Iceland. Children, the continent of Antarctica lies in the South Frigid Zone or Antarctic Circle. Children, Antarctica is the largest cold desert on earth. Which is the largest cold desert on earth? Yes, Antarctica is the largest cold desert on earth. Children, it is also known as white continent. The land areas close to the north and south poles make up the polar regions. Children, the regions between the poles and the Arctic and Antarctic circles are called the frigid zone. Children, also known as cold deserts or tundra region. Children, Greenland lies in the North Polar region, the part of the earth which is extremely cold throughout the year. Children, this region is also called the tundra region. Children, what is tundra region? A large flat area of frozen land lying around the North Pole. Children, what is tundra region? Yes, a large flat area of frozen land lying around the North Pole. Children, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Children, which is the largest island in the world? Yes, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Children, Greenland is not a continent. It is a country. Children, Greenland is a self-governing country within the Kingdom of Denmark. Its capital is Nuuk. Children, Tundra region extends over the continents of North America, Europe, and Asia. Greenland is located in the Tundra region. Earlier, it was known as Gotthard. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. What is the capital of Greenland? Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Children, more than 80% of the total area of Greenland is covered with ice and snow. Children, which is the largest island in the world? Yes, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Children, what is the capital of Greenland? Yes, Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Children, next we move on the next topic, topography. Do you remember, children, topography? Topography is the study of the land surface. For examples, mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. Children, the major physical feature of Greenland is it is massive ice sheet. Children, 81% of the country's land surface is covered with ice sheets. Children, Greenland covered with snow and ice. Children, an iceberg is a floating mass of ice in the sea. Children, iceberg is floating mass of ice in the sea. Children, 90% of an iceberg is always inside the water. Only a small tip is seen. Almost 90% of an iceberg is underwater. Children, what we see is only the tip of the iceberg. Children, let us see climate. The Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. Children, the Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. Lying in the frigid zone, Greenland experiences an extremely cold type of climate throughout the year. Children, what type of climate in Greenland? Yes, Greenland experiences an extremely cold type of climate throughout the year. These regions receive very little rainfall and heavy snowfall. Children, this region very little rainfall and heavy snowfall. The climate is dry and very cold. Children, these regions have only two seasons, summer and winter. Children, but the summers here are not hot as the temperature are usually freezing. The polar regions get 24 hours of daylight continuously during the 6 months in summer, while in winter they experience continuous nights for 6 months. Children, why is Greenland also called the land of the midnight sun? Children, the weather is bright and sunny in Greenland during summers, especially in the coastal areas. For months together, the sun does not set even at midnight. Therefore, the Greenland is also called the land of the midnight sun. Children, we move on the next topic, vegetation. The cold climate and almost 3/4 of the land being covered with ice, no plants can grow in Greenland. Nothing grows in the ice covered area of Greenland. Children, there is no forest, no crops can be grown. But some plants to grow during summer month. What are the plants grown in summer month? The nature vegetation includes mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes which grow only during the summer season. Children, what are the plants grown in summer season? Yes, mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes. These plants grown in summer season. Children, what is meant by moss plants? Small plants without flowers growing in damp, shady places. Children, what is meant by lichen? Small plants growing on rocks and walls. Children, next we are going to discuss about wildlife. Children, animals during winter go into a deep sleep or rest for the whole season. This is called hibernation. Some polar animals have adapted to the climatic conditions and survive into freezing cold weather, while others, such as birds and whales, migrate long distance each summer. More animals are found in Arctic oceans. Children, more than animals are found in Arctic region than in the Antarctic region. Children, the wildlife of Greenland includes only those animals which can survive in the harsh cold climate. The polar bear, reindeer, husky, Arctic fox, muskox, polar hare, seal, and the whale form a part of the wildlife found in this region. Children, the seals and whales are found along the coast and are hunted by people for meat and oil. Children, the wolf like dogs called huskies are also found here. These dogs are used in hunting and to pull sleds. Children, here all the animals found in the polar region have thick fur coats so that they can withstand extreme cold. Children, apart from the several varieties of fishes and seabirds are found here. Children, only those animals that can tolerate the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Polar bear, reindeer, Arctic fox, seal, and dogs are called. Huskies are the most common animals found in Greenland. Children, next we are going to discuss about people. Due to the extreme climatic conditions, there are no native people in Antarctica. Children, Antarctica does not belong to any country and has no government. Children, there are many research stations of different countries which carry out studies on the continent throughout the year. Children, however, about 4 million people live in permanently in the Arctic region. One group of the native inhabitants of this region are known as the Inuits in Greenland and Russia. Children, in the past, the Inuits were nomadic. Children, they lived in temporary house made of blocks of ice called igloos. Children, most of the Inuits now live in small villages or towns on the sea coast. Children, the Eskimos or Inuit were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are mainly hunters. They survive by fishing and hunting animals that live in their region. The Greenlandic Inuit are the originating people of Greenland. They form about 90% of the population. Children, the remaining 10% is Danish, most of them born in Denmark. Children, the Inuit have short height with a stout body. Children, they wear the thick clothes made of animal skin and fur with a hood to cover their head. Children, the Inuit people, short height and stout body. They wear thick clothes made animal skin and fur with a hood to cover their head. Children, these coasts are called burqas. Children, the official languages of the country are Greenlandic and Danish. Children, what are the two languages of the Greenland? Yes, the official language of the country are Greenlandic and Danish. Children, the main occupation of the people is fishing, hunting, and mining. Children, what are the main occupation of the people in Greenland? The main occupations of the people is fishing, hunting, and mining. Children, the native people of Greenland are called Eskimos or the Inuit. Children, what is native? People born in a particular place. Children, we move on the next topic, food. Children, the Inuit mainly depend on animals for food as agricultural yield is insufficient. Children, the Inuit mainly depend on animals. Why? For food. Children, some vegetables like potatoes are grown during summer in the southern western coastal regions. Children, a very small part of the land in southwestern region is suitable for agriculture, where some vegetables like potatoes are grown. Children, the Inuit people are expert hunters. Their main hunting weapon is the harpoon, which is either thrown by hand or fired from a gun. Whales, seals, and fish are mainly hunted. Children, the Inuit, apart from the eating its meat, make use the almost every part of the animals hunted. Their skin is used to make clothes, tents, and boats. Children, they are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the region. Clothes are made of the skin and fur of animals. The fat is used as fuel. Earlier, they used bow and harpoon to head. The bones of the animals are used to make needles and harpoon heads. But now guns are used by them. Children, next we are going to discuss about igloo. Children, what is an igloo? Yes, a small house that is built from blocks of hard snow. A small house that is built from blocks of hard snow. Igloos are the special houses made by the Inuit during the winter season. These are temporary shelters made to blocks of ice cemented together with snow. They lived in temporary houses made up of blocks of ice called igloos. Children, igloo means a house made up of blocks of ice. The floor of the house is covered with animal skin. Children, during the summer seasons, the Inuit live in the tents made from the skin of animals like seals or reindeer. These are called tubics. Children, what are tubics? Tubics are tents made up of animal skin. The Eskimos live in tubics during summer. Children, today most of the Inuit live in modern houses with better facilities. Children, now we are going to discuss about transport. The Inuit use special boats called kayaks. The Inuit use special boats called kayaks. Sleds pulled by dogs were used by them for transport. They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. It is a small boat covered with seal skin. Children, another type of boat used by the Inuit is umiak. Children, what is meant by umiak? Umiak means a woman's boat as opposed to the kayak which means a man's boat. The umayak is a bigger boat used for carrying women and children. Sleds are pulled by reindeer or a team of wolf-like dogs called huskies. Children, what is meant by kayak? Kayak is a boat used for fishing. Air and shipping services are the main means of transport. Children, there are practically no roads. Special boats called kayaks and umeyaks are used for water transport in Greenland. Children, what are kayaks? Kayaks are narrow boats used by the native people of Greenland for fishing and hunting sea animals. The kayaks are made of wood and covered with walrus or seal skin. They also make a larger boat called umek for hunting whales. Children, next we are going to discuss about economic. Fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. Sheep are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast. Children, Greenland has deposits of minerals like iron, aluminium, nickel, copper, uranium, and platinum. Children, what are the minerals you get from Greenland? Minerals like iron, aluminium, nickel, copper, uranium, and platinum. Children, mining of these minerals earns a good income. A small part of the land in south western region is suitable for agriculture where some vegetables like potatoes are grown in region. Development of industry such as fish processing, oil drilling and mining has completely changed the life of the Eskimos. Children, next we move on the next topic, modern lifestyle of the Inuit. The life of the Inuit has changed in the past few years. Now they have permanent houses with electricity to live in. Children, for hundreds of years, Inuit lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during the summer and spring season. This lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in the last few years. Today, most Inuits live in towns and small settlements. There are towns with modern facilities such as electricity, permanent houses, schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Motor boats are used by them for fishing. Today, Greenland has mixed population mostly of Inuits and Europeans. The total population is only about 60,000 less than the population of even a small town in India. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town. It has a population of about 15,500. Children, better air travel facility which connected Greenland to the cities of Europe and North America have brought the Greenlanders closer to the rest of the world. How have modern facility changed the lives of the Inuit? Yes, permanent houses with electricity to live in, primary schools, hospitals, libraries, etc. are present in most of the towns and villages in Greenland. Hence, the lifestyle of the people in Greenland is changing with the change in time. Children, let us recall what we have learned so far. Children, we studied about Greenland, The largest island in the world is Greenland. Which is the largest island in the world? The largest island in the world is Greenland. It lies in the continent of North America. A large part of Greenland lies in the Arctic Circle. Greenland is a territory of Denmark. Children, Greenland lies in the North Polar region, the part of the earth which is extremely cold throughout the year. This region also called the Tundra region. Its capital is Nuuk. Children, next we learn topography. Greenland is a low plateau surrounded by coastal mountains which are always covered with thick snow. Iceberg is floating mass of ice in the sea. Children, next we learn climate. The Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. Lying in the frigid zone, Greenland experiences an extremely cold type of climate throughout the year. Because of this, most of Greenland lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. Children, this region also called the Tundra region. Children, these regions receive very less heat. This causes the polar regions to be extremely cold throughout the year. These regions receive very little rainfall and heavy snowfall. Children, next we learn vegetation and wildlife. Nothing grows in the ice covered area of Greenland. Children, there is no forest, no crops can grow in Greenland. The natural vegetation includes mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes which grow only during the summer season. The cold climate and almost three-fourths of land being covered with ice and snow. Children, next we learn wildlife. The wildlife of Greenland includes only those animals which can survive in the harsh cold climate. Some animals are the polar bear, reindeer, huskies, and Arctic fox. Huskies are wolf-like dogs widely used by people for pulling sledges. Children, next we learn people and food. The Eskimos or Inuit were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are mainly hunters. They survive by fishing and hunting animals that live in their region. Children, what are the official language of Greenland? Yes, the official languages of the country are Greenlandic and Danish. Children, what are the main occupation of the Greenland? The main occupation of the people is fishing, hunting and mining. The Inuit people short height with a short body. They wear thick clothes made of animal skin and fur. These coats are called burqas. Children, we learn food of Greenland. The Inuit mainly depend on animals for food. The Inuit people are expert hunters. Their main hunting weapon is the harpoon. The Inuit, apart from eating its meat, make use almost every part of animals hunted. Their skin is used to make clothes, tents and boats. Their plumper is used as fuel. The bones of animals are used to make needles. Children, next we learn igloo and transport. Children, Inuits live snow houses called igloos during winters. They use blocks of ice to make these houses which are dome shaped. There is only one opening to such a house. The floor is covered with animal skin to keep it warm During summer, they live in tents made of animal skin. These tents are called tubics. Children, next we learn transport. Inuit use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. The kayaks are made up of wood and covered with walrus or seal skin. Children, sledges which are wheelless carts are also used for hunting. Children, air and shipping services are the main means of transport. Children, next we learn economic and modern lifestyle of the Inuit. Children, Greenland has deposits of minerals like iron, aluminium, nickel, copper, uranium, and platinum. A very small part of land in the southwest is suitable for agriculture. Some vegetables such as potatoes are grown. The main economic of the country is dependent on fishing and fish exports. Children, next we learn modern lifestyle of the Inuit. Most of the Inuits now lead a settled life. They live in small villages or towns on the sea coast. They go on hunting trips for several days. They have fast motorized sledges for transport. Children, motorboats are used by them for fishing. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town. Inuit people has permanent houses with electricity to live in. Primary schools, hospitals, libraries, etc. are present in most of the towns and villages in Greenland. Some towns of Greenland have been connected to Denmark and North America through air service. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss the chapter 6, Greenland, the land of snow. Book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. Children, first one, fill in the blanks. First question, the thick layer of a fat under the skin of the animals belonging to the polar region is called dash. The answer is blubber. The thick layer of fat under the skin of the animals belonging to the polar region is called blubber. Children, second question. Dash are the native people of Greenland. The answer is Eskimos. Eskimos are the native people of Greenland. Children, third question. The largest non-continental island in the world is dash. The answer is Greenland. The largest non-continental island in the world is Greenland. Fourth question. Dash and dash are the official languages of Greenland. The answer is Greenlandic and Danish. Children, Greenlandic and Danish are the official languages of Greenland. Fifth question. Dash is the main hunting weapon of the Inuit. The answer is harpoon. Harpoon is the main hunting weapon of the Inuit. Children, next one. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the coat that is made by a seal's skin and fur is called blubber. The answer is true. The coat that is made by a seal's skin and fur is called blubber. Children, second question. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Greenland. The answer is false. Children, the main occupation of the people is fishing, hunting and mining. Children, fourth question. Eskimos use the bones of animals to make needles. The answer is true. Eskimos use the bones of animals to make needles. Fourth question. Igloos are the temporary houses made by the Inuit during winter. The answer is true. Igloos are the temporary houses made by the Inuit during winter. Children, fifth question. Ferns, lichens, mosses are the only natural vegetation found in Greenland. The answer is false. The natural vegetation includes mosses, ferns, lichens, grasses, and bushes which grow only during the summer season. Children, next we are going to discuss about answer the following questions. Children, first question, define A. Burkas, B. Kayaks, C. Icebergs. A. Burkas. Burkas are hooded jacket made from fur of animals which the native people of Greenland wear to protect themselves from extreme cold of the polar region. Burkas are hooded jacket made from fur animals which the native people of Greenland wear to protect themselves from extreme cold of the polar region. B question. Kayaks are narrow boats by the native people of Greenland for fishing and hunting sea animals. Children, kayaks are narrow boats used by the native people of Greenland for fishing and hunting sea animals. Next question. Icebergs. Huge block of ice frequently break away from the glaciers and slide down into the sea and float. Huge block of ice frequently break away from the glaciers and slide down into the sea and float. Children, second question. Write a note on Eskimos. Native people of Greenland are called Eskimos or the Inuit. They majorly depend on animals for food, weapons, clothes, etc. Children, native people of Greenland are called Eskimos or the Inuit. They majorly depend on animals for food, weapons, clothes, etc. Children, third question. Why is Greenland also called the land of the midnight sun? Children, why is Greenland also called the land of the midnight sun? The weather is bright and sunny in Greenland during summers, especially in the coastal areas. For months together, the sun does not set even at midnight. Therefore, Greenland is also called the land of the midnight sun. Children, the weather is bright and sunny in Greenland during summers, especially in the coastal areas. Months together, the sun does not set even at midnight. Children, next fourth question. How has the life of the Inuits changed since the past? The lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in recent times. Most of the people now live in houses made of wood and stone. Most of the people now live in houses made of wood and stone. They hunt with automatic rifles and use motor boats for fishing. Many of them have also migrated to towns and works in mines and oil fields. Children, last question. The Inuit make best use of the animals found in Greenland. Give two examples. The Inuits make best use of the animals found in Greenland are as follows. People wear clothes made from animal skins. They live in skin tents. Most important means of transport on land is sledge. It is pulled by huskies. People wear clothes made from animal skins. They live in skin tents. The most important means of transport on land is sleds. It is pulled by huskies. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. I hope you all understand this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.